New airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you few of the methods that you can use in order to fix the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. For that, first of all, you just have to go to the settings of your device, and in the settings you need to scroll down and then tap on apps. After that, you need to tap on manage apps. Here you will be able to see this search bar where you need to simply search for Monopoly Go. Now once you are in the app info of Monopoly Go, you need to tap on clear data in the bottom right hand corner, then select clear cache and then press OK. Now after clearing the cache, you just have to start using Monopoly Go and check whether the airplane mode is now working or not. If it is not working, then you need to tap on the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner, and now you need to press OK. Now once you clear your data of Monopoly Go, you will be logged out of your Monopoly Go account. So you need to re-log in into your Monopoly Go account, and then you just have to try to on your airplane mode and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what you can do is you can simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to search for Monopoly Go. Now once you are able to find Monopoly Go, you need to tap on its icon, and then you need to check whether there is any update available or not. If there is any update available, then you simply need to tap on the update button, because the airplane mode glitch comes when you updated your Monopoly Go application. So if you keep it up to date, there is a high possibility that this might work for you. So you need to tap on the update button, and once the update is installed successfully in your device, you just have to tap on the open button in order to launch the application. Then you need to swipe down and you need to tap on the airplane mode, and you just have to start using your Monopoly Go application. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.